Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
what is fraction?
fractions. Learn with various activities. And it's part 1. So what is actually a fraction, Lina?
So you don't need to read that right now.
Yeah, what you see in that?
So what's in this picture is I'm gonna write a fraction, but you'll learn how to write a fraction in this video. So how many is there in all?
Looks
how
like
many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8
That's
total
right.
is 8.
So let's do this.
8.
But let's do this because it's not the whole number.
Yeah.
Then how much is pretend this is 18.
1.
Yeah, how many
so I'm gonna,
is 18?
You wanna give me that one?
Pretend that's not here.
Okay, so I take 1. I took
that's
it.
Not there.
I took it.
So then how many did you take?
1.
Then we add that one here.
So how you call this one then?
This is
1 out of 8.
Yeah. 1 out of 8 or 1/8. I just like to say 1/8.
Yes, so total number into what actually taken. Okay, so what is the definition here?
A fraction tells you how many parts of a whole you have.
Yeah, you give a very good example. So how many you have total number there, the pieces, and then you gave me 1. So I took 1. So I took 1 part of 8. Okay. So let's take a look at some different fraction. Let's see. What is a half?
Something before we start talking.
Yeah. So half is also a fraction.
Yeah.
Yeah, how is that?
Half is actually like that.
So 50-50?
Let me draw it. I know how to draw it.
So pretend you have a whole orange.
So a circle.
Yeah.
Then
I cut it into half. Then it's 50. So how you write half? How you write half?
So it's
in fraction.
1.
You know, actually what is, yeah?
Too long.
1 is to 2.
1 halves.
Half.
When it says 1, 2, don't say it's
half orange.
So if you're in grade 2 and you say 1, so you raise your hand up and then you say 1, 2.
Yeah, okay.
That's so wrong.
Very
it's
true.
halves.
So 50-50, half is also a fraction. Yeah. So when you divide something into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. So that's a fraction. Okay, move to the next slide.
And I forgot to tell you that there's a surprise at the end.
Good.
1/2 is written as
1/2.
1/2.
Okay.
Or 1 out of 2.
So now we talk about half. Now it is a quarter. What is a quarter?
Quarter.
Yeah.
But it's fine. So a quarter is 4.
4. So when it's equally divided into 4, one whole thing divided into 4 equal parts.
It's like this. So there's 1, 2.
It's called quarter.
Yep. It's there's 1, 2, and then that's a whole. But then we split it in half. But then that's split. Then it's 4. That's quarters.
Yeah.
Then there's a 1 over here.
It's like
then
1
2,
here.
Yeah.
So and how you write a quarter?
A quarter.
Yeah.
So there's 1. This is all 1.
Yeah.
And I need to write it. And then this.
2.
And then
4. Good. Okay. Let's see what is the definition. 1 divided by 4. Yeah. 1 out of 4. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. When you divide a whole object into 4 equal parts, it's called quarter, and it's written as 1/4. Okay, move to next slide, please. So now, how do you write a fraction?
If you guys don't know, if you're in grade 1 or something, or grade 2, no, probably in grade 1, you might not know
numerator and denominator.
So numerator means like it's the top number, and then denominator means the
bottom number.
So like this is numerator. Wait, did I say it right?
Yes. Yeah.
And then this is denominator.
So fraction. So we have to remember that it has name, like upper part has name and lower part has name too.
True.
Okay.
And they have like a number.
Yeah. Fraction are shown by having one number on top and another. For example,
we just exampled
there.
it.
Okay, move to next. We'd like to pronounce this fraction as either one quarter
or 1
over 4, 1 out of 4. So it various ways to say that fraction.
And then there's also 1/4.
Yeah. Okay. Move.
THS at that.
Move, please.
I did.
Yeah. Next.
We don't need to read that. That's the same thing.
Yeah. So numerator, we explain you like upper part.
Yep, upper part.
The fraction.
And then what is the down one called?
Yeah, we're gonna explain you next.
Well, I'm gonna cover it.
Denominator.
Can you go to the next slide? The next one.
Yeah.
Next. What is this one called?
Denominator. So
if you guys guessed it right, then
very good. Okay. So upper is numerator and lower is denominator. Yeah. So fraction in daily life. So do you know, Lina, we use fraction in our daily life? How so? So remember sometimes
it's a half of a kilogram of flour.
Yeah, so remember when we do baking, I ask you, Lina, half cup or 1 tablespoon of sugar or 4 spoon of butter, something like that. It's actually fraction, right? And how do you use fraction in your life, like daily?
I use it like with my toys, like sometimes.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I separate it into like I have 4 toys, then I separate it into 2 groups, so like 2 and 2.
Yeah, how about the food? Sometimes you and Dada always fight over one.
Well,
Dada
chocolates. Means brother, that thing.
Yeah, so let us say if you have I brought 4 candies, then you say you need to do half and half.
I want candy.
Yeah, so candy. So that is also fraction. Okay, let's see what we have here.
Yeah, so fractions are really important and we use them lots in our daily life. We use them when we're baking. For example, we
explained that, right?
Here's the A. Use a kilogram of flour.
Yeah, it's very important, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so pizza slice. Oh yeah, you do also pizza slice. Like you cannot eat whole pizza. So what we do? Remember, they cut the pizza into pieces.
So let's see what this one is. So what is this number all?
Looks like 6.
That's right.
And then
how much is here?
2.
Good.
Yeah.
Then how much is here?
4. But you can't write 4 because the total is 6. Yeah.
Yeah, the total is 6, you said.
Yeah, 6. So fraction will be 2 by 6.
And then if somebody else say 2,
yeah,
then it would be 4
out of 6. Because you ate 4, Lance ate 4, and then only 2 left.
Brother.
Okay, let's see. Good explanation. Yeah, go back please. Again, one more time. Yeah, one more time. Okay, what fraction of pizza have you eaten? Yeah, you explained it already. Okay, move. Okay, think about a pizza that has been equally cut into. Yeah, you did it. Good job. So numerator would then represent the amount of slice that you are taking about. So
talking.
yeah,
Taking,
talking out.
Talking.
Yeah,
Different.
taking is different. So 2 is the numerator, and so if you had eaten 2 slices of pizza, you would say that you have eaten 2 out of 6 of pizza.
Of the.
Yeah. Okay, so 2 out of 6. There you go. Next.
It's the next slide.
It's
So same
continue.
thing.
So what fraction of pizza is left?
We did
So
to the
you
side.
ate 2 pizza already. Now how many left?
So now
What fraction
there's
left?
4.
So 4 out of?
So 2/4.
No, 4 out of what? How many left? It was 6 total.
Now there is 4.
Out of?
6.
Good. Write it down. Don't do that.
It's gonna be there anyway.
Anyway, that's okay. You bring your energy.
It's gonna be there anyway.
We don't have to. Okay, write it down.
Fine.
Come on, bring your energy. You just ate 2 slices of pizza. Okay.
I ate a whole McDonald's home.
Okay.
I ate a Happy Meal.
What?
Hey.
Keep going. Yeah. So yeah, think about a pizza that has been cut into 6 equal pieces, and then so to work out what fraction of pizza is left, you simply.
Fraction.
Okay, can you read, Lina?
To work out what fraction of the pizza is left, you simply count the remaining slices. So if 2 out of 6 slices have been eaten, there are 4 slices left. You can write this as 4
Out of 6.
or
Okay.
4 6.
Yeah. 6. Next slide. Example, rectangle. So how many total number here, Nina?
10.
Total boxes? Okay, can you please write it down?
10.
Yeah.
Says
And then
10 up there.
yeah.
So now look at this rectangle that has been divided equally into 10 pieces.
Okay, next. Find the fraction of red square. So what will be the fraction?
4 out of 10.
Yeah, can you please explain there, Lina? How we can get the fraction for the red square? So what is the total?
The total is 10.
So write down. Denominator is 10.
And then the numerator is
how many here?
4.
Yeah, so 4 out of 10. There you go. Okay. So if you count how many red squares there are, you can find the fraction of red square. So 4 square out of 10 are red, and the fraction is 4 out of 10. Good, next. Keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already have that.
White.
Okay, now we have a white square. So we did the red, now do the white. So what is the
6 plus 4 equals 10. So the denominator is still 10, but the numerator is different.
How many?
Because 6 plus 4 equals 10.
Okay.
But we did 4 the other time in the other slide.
Yeah.
Now now it's time for 6's turn.
Or simply count it.
Yeah.
You don't have to remember what is on other slide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There you go.
Jinx.
6 out of 10. Okay, go ahead. What is it? Go back. So what fraction of square aren't red? Count how many there are. 6 squares are not red. So therefore, that is 6 out of 10 of the squares.
Yeah.
Next is white squares fraction. Good. Next, please. Okay, final word.
That was quick.
What is fraction? How to write and read fractions.
This is what we all learned.
So what is fraction, Lina?
Wait, just finish this.
And fractions in daily life. Some
workout
workout examples. Yeah.
Yeah, and then now let's talk a little bit about fractions.
Yeah, we have to explain. We already explained you what is the fraction, and then we did
So
how to.
we know what is a fraction.
Mm-hmm.
We know how to write and read a fraction.
Mm-hmm.
And then we also know fractions in daily lives.
Mm-hmm.
Then we also know we did some workout examples with pictures, like this one.
Okay, that's it.
Then I have
That's
a surprise for
Thank
you
you so
guys.
much.
But the surprise is really what's on me.
Yeah.
This is actually pretty new. I have some.
Yeah, it's a nice jacket.
Yeah, I
love it.
like it.
Yeah, you
That's
look
why I'm
cool.
wearing it.
Okay, good. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.
Thank you
Keep
for
watching.
watching Lena's Pretend Play.
Bye.
Bye.